start the video here. I'm in Morrison's car park, Cleveland area. Just on my way to Scenic. One of the night at Scenic. It's a little village, not too far from Redgar. Nice little village. I'll get stopped right down near the beach. That'll do me for tonight. So I'm going to go in here, grab a bit of food. I don't know, maybe cook something tonight for me tea or some breakfast in the morning. So anyway, I'm going to get myself in Morrison's, get a bit of food board, and I'll see you all Scenic. Right, we're here, we're at Scenic. I'm going to get me saladette that I got at the meal deal at Morrison's, £3.50 meal deal. Salad where you ram as much in, you got to get the lid shut. So anyway, I'll quickly just show you the camera. I'll give it a quick look outside while I'm eating this. Just give us a look around. This is where I'm at. You can see a few campers parked over there. That's where I'll probably get for the night if I don't move on. Beach just here. It's a bit of a boatyard. You get in from up there. So anyway, that's where I'll probably park for the night over there. There's a bar just up there you seen when I drove in. I might go there for a few drinks later. So anyway, we'll have a bite to eat and then we'll have a bit of mooch about here and see what's happening. Right, so it's the next morning. Slept well last night, a lot better. As you've seen there, I've moved round to the other side where I first started, but I slept over the other side. We'll go outside and I'll show you where we are. Yeah, so a few changes since the last time. The airbed has gone. I've given it away. Can't be done with that anymore. That is not worth a like. Not for me at all. Airbed gone. I've got a different sleeping bag. That other bloody thing, it's like a cone-shaped thing. I don't know what them are for. I don't know what they're made for. They're certainly not made for me. Quite broad. Couldn't get turned in them or nothing. Anyway, another different sleeping bag as well. So a lot better night's sleep, to be honest. A lot better. Place I stayed last night. Cracking little stop. Highly recommended. Great. All for free. Free stop, free park, everything. Has some public toilets, just a short walk from where you sleep. Lovely and clean, very, very nice. Great little stay. And like you say, A view like this on a morning, what more do you want? If you come here on a hot day, there's a beach just that way. You pass the pier, through like a wall thing. There's a beautiful beach in a cove on a hot day. Be beautiful here. I'll put a screenshot on the screen now of the postcode where I'm at. If anyone wants to come, get yourselves here. And as well, this place here, you're a kick and ass off Saltburn. You're a 30-minute drive from Whitby. Perfect little spot, I think. So anyway, time now. Cook myself a bit of breakfast and we'll have an omelette. And then it's probably on to Whitby for the day. So, catch you in a bit. See you on the